welcome back to my channel. Today is such an exciting video. We're making candles. Now, I'm personally obsessed with candles. They're all over my flat, but the most recent trend is a female body shaped candle and they're absolutely gorgeous. The only thing, they're so expensive. I don't want to spend £20 on a candle that's going to be gone in 3 hours. So today we're going to be making that same exact candle but on a budget. We're going to do some classic DIY and fingers crossed it turns out well. So this is all that you need to make candles. Obviously the first and probably the most important thing is the wax. Now I went for Soya Wax and this is a 1 kilogram bag. You also need wicks. I'm pretty sure these are 160 centimeters, so they're a decent length. You're also going to need a little pan to put water in and then a jug where you're going to put the wax in and melt it, similar to how you would melt chocolate. And then of course you're going to need your form, and I'm actually really excited to make this. I've just realised this doesn't have a hole to pierce the wick through, so I'm gonna have to do that myself. But yeah, basically you pour the wax in there and you let it sit and set. And I also have some jars. This is from coconut oil, and then this is also from just like a pasta sauce. But I thought if I have enough wax, which there seems to be a lot of, I might as well reuse it and make some more candles. So I've just put some water in the pan and I'm waiting for that to boil. I now need to put some wax into the jug so I can melt it. I'm not sure how much wax to put in. I want to do quite a lot just because I want to make a few candles. Okay, I'm going to do this much. Oh god, that nearly went everywhere. Oh god, the jug is like floating. So I think I might have put too much water into the pan just because this jug is like not heavy enough, it's floating. So the wax is starting to melt, but I'm not gonna lie, this water is worrying me a little bit, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit out. That's better. Now that it's melting, I don't think there's actually going to be that much wax there, but it's fine, we can always melt more. Another thing, if you are interested in any of these bits, I got them all from eBay. So wax, this little mould, and these wicks are all from eBay and super affordable. I know that you can also get, oops, need to turn this down. I also know that you can get these a lot cheaper on AliExpress, so if you're willing to wait 2 to 3 weeks, if not more, for that, then definitely check out AliExpress because it's more affordable. I finally pierced it. It was such a struggle, but I'm just so glad I've done it now. So this is going to have to stay here, and yeah, basically once the wax is melted we'll just have to pour the wax in here and then just let it chill. I'm thinking there's not actually that much wax. I think I'll be able to fill this, but I won't have enough left to fill like one of these jars, so I think I'm going to put more wax in. So the wax is all melted now and it's so satisfying. I'm just going to leave that there to keep warm because I need to put the wick in this little jar as well. This is going to be a lot more difficult to keep in place. So I'm actually going to use these 2 skewers and hopefully that does the job. Or maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. You know what, I think that's good enough. Right, I feel like doing this one first just to get it out of the way because I don't want that wick to move anymore. no. My wick! Oh no! Oh god, this is such a fail. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. Right. What do I do now? My wick has just fallen completely. What the hell am I gonna do? Alright, improvise, improvise, improvise. We can do this, it's fine. You know what, I think I'm gonna pour the wax out because I just don't think this is gonna work. I need to stick the wick down. Alright, well, that was fun, wasn't it? Oh my god, I can't believe I just did that. Oh my god, it started to set at the bottom already. Right. Let's think outside of the box. Okay, why not do this one first? Because I feel like the wick is going to stay in place just because it's obviously like upside down and there's not much room for movement. Okay, you know what? That looks quite promising. But then again, what do I know? Because it didn't work last time. And just please set, please burn, please work, don't spill, you know what? That's all I'm asking for right now. And yeah, now to deal with this whole situation. I do think I've got quite a lot of wax left. Like, I feel like if I fill this, there's still going to be wax left over. So I'm kind of thinking of using this big jar. This used to be a candle. So it's got like this little bit in the middle from where the wick used to be. Now, if I get my hot glue out, hot glue gun out and stick it in the middle, I wonder if that will work. You know what? I think I've done it. I think I might have saved the day. I've just cleared some wax off the bottom of this candle and I'm gonna do the same thing because I'm not giving up. There is no way I'm giving up. Okay, I think that's worked. Oh, why did I think this was gonna be easy? I don't know why I thought I had enough wax for this candle, but here we are. I don't know whether to pour this wax in and then melt some more. I might do that. That was an experience. That is so stressful. Ooh, this one's already starting to set. Like, you can see it's turning a bit whiter. I mean, these two candles were just a right situation, but there's nothing left to do but wait. I mean, apart from the fact that I need to melt a bit more wax for this candle. But other than that, it's fine. It's fine.